Do you want everything? Just let me know. Alright guys, KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and cards. We're going to do 2 boxes of draft picks for our rpunchungco extremes. Alright guys, box 1 and 2 from the stack. Good luck. Autos and inserts? Alright, good luck, man. Good thing there's 4 inserts in every pack. I don't think anything crazy has come out of here yet. Well, these boxes have been on the shelf for a while though, so. This is box 1. This is box 1. Good luck. That's all base. Madden, Boyd, Cooper, Vanette, and Wilson inserts. I'm not going to name off all the inserts. Hackenberg, Green, Thomas, and Bosa inserts. I might. Our first auto is from LSU. That is Deion Jones. Deion Jones. Auto number 1. Derrick Henry insert. Jared Goff insert. Connor Cook. Wilson, Goff, Peterson, Drake, and Ezekiel Elliott. A ton of autos on this side. This is Bryce Williams. Bryce Williams. And our third autograph is Eastern Kentucky, Noah Spence. We pulled Noah Spence's like Philip Dorsett's. That's going to be my new Philip Dorsett this year, Bill. Noah Spence. Peyton insert. Another Goff insert. Cook. Kessler. Another insert. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, Bo Jackson, Frank Thomas insert. Nice. There we go. There's the money card. There you go. Called it. Jared Goff. Jared Goff. Looks like he did not keep that on sticker though, unfortunately. Jared Goff auto. Oh, Dax. Dax would be nice out of here right now too. None of these numbers None of these cards are numbered. And we got an Aaron Green from TCU. Aaron Green from TCU. Goff insert. Wentz insert. Is it Elliott? No, it's Cardell Jones. That was box 1. Big hit, Jared Goff. Jared Goff was a big auto in the first box. On to your second box, man. Good luck. I don't see her. No, she took it through Facebook. Better be a good auto in that pack. You can't change them? You can't change them? Too much plastic. Dude, some of these open up like butter, and some of them don't. Yeah. We do. Alright, good luck. Now we got Maurice Kennedy. Maurice Kennedy. Manziel and Evans insert. And numbered 44 of 99 from Rutgers, Leonte Carew. That's DJ KB's guy. DJ KB, Leonte Carew. And Tom Brady, class reunion. Did I throw some inserts on the stack? Yes, I did. Yeah. A little Ezekiel Elliott insert. Now we got Mackenzie Alexander. Mackenzie Alexander. And he will sign cards, but he won't sign his contract. Joey Bosa. Joey Bosa. And from Colorado, that is Nelson Spruce. Nelson Spruce. Last stack. And Nelson Spruce was our last. It's not bad, 2 boxes. Robert. Thanks again, man. I'll get those out to you tomorrow.